Hey there, it's Amelia, and in today's video, I'm going to show you several ways that you can spell check if you're creating designs in Canva. Now, at the time of creating this video, there's no automatic spell check within Canva. However, if you are in Canva and you are in a text box, you might notice some red squiggly lines underneath some of the words, which gives the illusion that there is a spell check within Canva. This is actually an add-in in the browser, and currently I'm using Google Chrome. So let me show you the first method that you could use to spell check within Canva. In Google Chrome, you want to click on the menu. I'm going to click on the 3 vertical dots, the ellipsis here, and open up the Chrome menu and select Settings. And then from Settings, on the left, click Advanced, Languages. And then, as you can see, there's a basic spell check, there's an enhanced spell check, and just make sure that you toggle it on. And then there's a customized spell check as well, where you can add specific words. So I'll return back to Canva. And while inside the text box, if I just click on a word, you'll see that I have misspelled 2 words on purpose just so you can get an idea. And then if I right click, the suggested correct spelling will display, and I'll just click on the correct spelling. And the same for this word as well. Now, if you're using Microsoft Edge, and let me move over to a Microsoft Edge window, you'll want to make sure that the spell check is turned on in that browser. So again, in this browser, you want to go to the menu and select Settings. And then on the left, select Languages. And then in the Microsoft Editor preview section, make sure Use Microsoft Editor is turned on. There's also a customized spell check option if you want to add words in here as well. An additional option can also be turned on to show synonyms for spelling suggestions. Once you have the spell check option turned on in Microsoft Edge, so now we're back in Canva, and once you click inside the text box, you'll see any misspelled words with a red line, and you'll want to right click and select Open Suggestion, and select the correct spelling. Now, another way you can check spelling and grammar is to first prepare your content in Microsoft Word. Now, if you are creating a design in Canva that is text heavy, possibly a PDF or an infographic or something with a lot of text, I would strongly recommend that you prepare your text in another editor such as Microsoft Word. And in this case, I have my objectives here for my slide in Canva. So let's say we prepare this and you type this in Word. Then you'll want to go to the Review tab and select Editor. And this shows 2 spelling errors. So if I click Spelling, then I can click on the correct spelling for each word. And it will also give you suggestions for grammar as well. When you're finished spell checking the text in Word, you want to select it, copy it, and then move over to your design in Canva. And then once you do paste it in Canva, then apply any final formatting. And the final way to check spelling and grammar in Canva is through an app called Grammarly. So I moved on over to the Grammarly.com website. There's different options. You can log in and sign up. You can also download Grammarly. You have different options on how you can use it. You can add it to Edge, and it's also available to integrate with these other programs. So for the purpose of this demo, I'll go ahead and click Add to Edge. I'll click Get and add the extension. And now Grammarly for Microsoft Edge is active. Now Grammarly has a lot of options. You can open the Grammarly editor, you can use the desktop version, the mobile version, and you can use an add-in in Microsoft Office. So let's go check it out in Canva. So back in Canva, now we can see the Grammarly icon here since we added the extension to the Microsoft Edge browser. So if I click on the icon, you'll see various settings which you can check out. And the one for Canva is already turned on to check for writing suggestions on canva.com. Now, sometimes it takes a few minutes, or you might have to refresh, or if it doesn't start working right away, just turn it off and turn it back on. You can try that. And then once in your design, let's go ahead and click on this misspelled word, and you'll see a green dot here. And if I hover over the green dot, I have the option, if I click, to open Grammarly, and in this case it gives me the correct spelling, and I can just go ahead and click to replace it and click on the X to close. Now there's also a Grammarly extension for Chrome, so you want to search for the Grammarly for Chrome extension and just make sure that you're picking the right one. Here it is, Grammarly for Chrome, and then you can add that extension for Google Chrome as well. Well, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, be sure to smash the like button and click subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. If you'd like to learn more about Canva, check out my new Canva course, which has step-by-step instructions, downloadable PDFs, and bonus videos. Check out the description below for special deals on my Canva course. Bye now.